Welcome to the Awesome Kids Art Hub. Today we're drawing Santa Claus. Ho ho ho! Let's start with his two twinkly eyes, just like buttons on a snowman. Now a round, jolly nose, like a little cherry. Then we'll add his fluffy mustache, curling at the ends. And his big happy smile. Draw his round face and place his Christmas hat on top, pointy and cute. With a fluffy pom-pom. Of course, Santa needs his big, snowy beard. Let's make it nice and fluffy, like a cloud. Time to color. His hat, nose, and mouth get a bright festive red.